This time he goes again. This one's in the air. I think he just hit the receiver. Yeah, it's a mile up there.
That's what he was looking for. That's why he's a genuine match winner. No problems whatsoever. Just get the feeling that Yuvraj Singh is making or beginning to make a statement here. New Zealand need to break this partnership.
How many?
Yeah, 6 off 1 ball.
That's massive too. New Zealand got it horribly wrong in Napier with low full tosses. And again in this over, that's a big free hit. That is so in the arc.
It's just a short arm jab. Oh, look at this. No follow through. Just a little, it's almost like a little punched 8-iron. Straight down the ground. Thank you very much.
And 39 for 2. Huge hit. Huge hit. Has he got it far enough? He got the elevation and the length, yes. Into the stand. And that's 50 for Yuvraj Singh. What a treat.
This has taken an age to come down out of the sky. It has gone so high. Thought he had half an opportunity. It was a slower ball from Jesse Ryder. Yuvraj was a little early on it. Haven't got anyone to blast. Oh, hello.
That's 6. That is just magnificent batting. That's a sweep off the front foot off Tim Southey, and that can't do anyone's confidence too good. If you're a bowler, in fact, probably if you're a bowler playing first-class cricket, you're not going to answer your phone in the next week or two. That is just superb. Artistry. Oh, yep, it's gone again. It's gone 40 rows back. 40 rows.
I know he wants to continue on, but the last thing he needs to do for his side is get out. Nothing silly.
That's not silly, that's massive! Oh, God! Huge! They're on their feet. No matter who you're supporting, I'm on my feet. I'm loving the batting.
The grounds just aren't big enough.
It's quality, it's absolute quality. So much quality. Again, Oram hits the mark. Brilliant stuff.
Well, the bat's gone. Bat's broken.
I'll have it. I'll have it.
It's missing a whole corner.
Bring it up here, I'll have it.
The whole corner of that bat has flown off. Look at that.
Well, this has gone as well. Just over the top, but it's 6 more.
Catch!
Straight up, this is very, very high. But the man's up at mid-off, and it's long as well.
Oh, that is special. That is an unbelievable shot. You had the feeling Tendulkar was just winding his way to ODI 100 number 43, and then he just pops one straight over long off for 6.
Tell to Dhoni.
Oh, watch this one go. It's nearly in our box. Oh, yeah.
Supporters around us, they're on their feet. They fancied their chances when that one went up in the air.
That's big. How about the timing? Is it good enough? You bet it is. It's over the top of the side screen for 6 more. Tendulkar is into the act. Look out. Oh, it's gone. It's too clever. Way too clever from Tendulkar. Just a boundary, and I say just a boundary. It wasn't far away from 6.
Oh, is this out? No, it's not. He's got enough of it. He has got enough of it over a wideish long off. And another 6. 150 up for Sachin Tendulkar. What an innings. Dhoni this time. My goodness. Well, I don't know if I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. 44 gone here at AMI. 328 for 3. Oh, that's out over extra cover. What a lovely cricket shot. All in the timing again. 6 more. So the Indian team physio out with Sachin Tendulkar. He's going to go. He's going to leave the field. Dhoni has just signalled to the dressing room that Raina will be the new man to come in, but we'll just let this crowd stand and applaud. Truly amazing innings from Sachin Tendulkar as he walks off AMI Stadium. It's high in the air, and that will be half a dozen more. Suresh Raina into the action. He goes again. He goes again, and that's half a dozen more. It was a terrific game of cricket, and that's a pretty good shot. Offside this time, and that's 6 more. Boy, that's terrific timing. It's not the biggest boundary. Maybe not. It's 6. Maybe not, Stephen.